Okay, I've got the wall on the office side finished. I've got to stain it, but it is up, and that is pine, that 8-foot pine, and it's gonna be, I've got to get this refrigerator out of here, but the office is gonna be right there in front of the bay window. So this is gonna be a nice little office area. That refrigerator won't be in here, that's Johnny's. This used to be the dining room. Then I've got this side I'm gonna put insulation up in. As soon as I get the insulation in, I've got it in the rolls. The rolls are right down there. I've got the rolls of insulation. I'll put that in, and then I will put the other side of the wall up. I've also got this wall going, and if you look, you'll see that that's about a 15-foot wall there. I gotta get my finger out of the camera. All right, now this is gonna be Rhonda's laundry room. She's gonna have her laundry baskets there. The insulation is already in this wall. As you can see right over here, I have a little bit more wall to do, but I've already got the wood cut to finish that. So then this wall is gonna be done too. And this is the laundry room. So the laundry room will have this wall, and on the other side of this wall is the office, and then on the other side of this wall is the bedroom. The bedroom I did a little bit different on the wall there. I put up a different kind of wood that was tongue and groove. I didn't use the fence planks on it because I was trying to save money on the laundry room, and the fence planks worked great. But this is the wall tongue and groove for the bedroom, which is a lot nicer. You can kind of see that. But so far so good. It's coming together. It's a chore, let me tell you. I've got this as a 32 by 83 space for the door. Actually, the door's 36. I left it 36 so I could get that refrigerator out. But I'll put a door in there, the door right there, and that'll be one of the last things I do. But I'm almost done with these walls, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna let you watch me put up a few of these planks. I know it's exciting stuff. Sometimes you get too tired, too short to do this. Now this last one I'm gonna have to use a ladder for because I've got no vertical advantage here. Wouldn't you know it, run out of nails just as you're about to finish the last two more. Because I'm gonna have, now we'll get her done. That's the walls. I've got a little bit more to do. I've got to do the insulation over here, and I'll share that with you too. You'll be able to see what all I have to go through to do that. So let me just pick this up and we'll move it right over here. And then you'll be able to see me do the insulation and then put up the boards for this wall. All right, let me get everything together. That thing goes off and scares me every time it goes off, so don't feel bad. Okay, I gotta screw a hole through there for that too. All right, I gotta wait for that water to run in case we get in the refrigerator with the ice creamer. All right, I don't think that's going anywhere. Next, good enough. Now let's get the wood up.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Thank you.
Oh, so you put insulation in, huh?
Yeah, that'll help with the sound effects of the laundry room
Yes.
and the bedroom, and it'll help us with the electric bill too.
What did you say you were gonna do for the top?
Which top?
Up here.
I'm not gonna do anything up there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I've got, say hi, John. I'm recording.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's on the camera, huh?
Yeah. Well, you're not actually in frame.
That's good.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, gosh. Yeah. last few nails that stick and don't come out. I wonder how much you lose by just losing this many, that's all, every time. Every time. If somebody knows a way to keep from losing them, let me know, because I sure as heck hadn't figured it out. Disaster. Completed, they're all up, and I gotta stain them. But this is the laundry room that I'm standing in right now. Used to be the dining room. That was the kitchen window right there. Now it's all laundry room. And then you walk over this way, and I'm gonna have the office over here, and there's the wall to the office. That refrigerator's going, so I'm gonna have nothing but the desk and the bay window in here. So This is going to be a nice little place to do YouTube and office work. And then we walk in the bedroom. All this will be bedroom now. We're going to repaint the walls, do the floors, put new flooring in. And there's the back wall to the bedroom. On the other side of that is the laundry room and the office. How about that? Well, that's about all I can do today. I'm exhausted. I'll see y'all next time.